This tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Mytheresa promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, it's a clothing brand which sells men's fashion clothes, and you might be wondering on how you can get a discount while purchasing from this website. Well, you'll have to go to your web browser and search up the company name, promo code, as you can see, then click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website coupon follow, and you're gonna click on it. Right, so once you're on the website, you can see the logo right there, and you're gonna see many coupon codes as well. So the first one is 15% off using this code at checkout. So you can click on it, and CNY22 is the code for a 15% discount. You can just copy the code and click on continue to the website where you can choose your products and use this code at checkout to get a 15% discount. Similarly, there are other codes as well. For example, let's say you're looking for a 20% off discount. You can click on it, and my extra 20 is going to give you a 20% discount. You can copy and use this at checkout. So now I'm going to head to some other website and show you a few more codes. So now I'm going to scroll down, and now on this website vthrift.com. So 30% off, you can click on it. Okay, so the first one is 30% off, and as you guys can see, it was used 53,000 times, but the success rate is not that high, so it might work or might not work. So you can click show code, and it's automatically gonna copy the code, and then you can go and use it at checkout. Similarly, you should always try for the ones which have a high success rate. So in this case, this has the highest one, 10% off, so you can go and give this a try as well. So alright guys, I'll wait for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.